Welcome back to Tech Avro. Entering phase 6 of our Google Drive series, do you want to navigate your cloud storage twice as fast without constantly reaching for your mouse? Google Drive has built-in keyboard shortcuts that let you create, search, organize, and rename files in seconds. Mastering just a few essential hotkeys will transform how quickly you manage your daily workspace. Here is how to use them step by step. First, open Google Drive on your computer browser. Press Shift and question mark together on your keyboard to instantly open the Master Shortcuts menu. To create new items fast, press C for a new document, press T for a new spreadsheet, or press F for a new folder. To rename any selected file or folder instantly, press N on your keyboard. To move an item to another folder without dragging, select the file and press Z. To select multiple items at once, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac and click each file. Finally, if you accidentally delete a file, press Ctrl and Z to undo the action immediately. If these keyboard shortcuts sped up your workflow, please like this video and subscribe to Tech Avro for more quick tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.